If you're fed up with streaky, noisy wipers and want a clearer view when driving, it may be time to upgrade. That's where top-quality windshield wipers come in. Not only do they improve visibility during rain and snow, but they also enhance your safety on the road. With so many options out there, picking the right ones can be tricky. In this video, I'll break down the 5 best windshield wipers. Whether you're dealing with heavy downpours or light rain, I'll help you find the perfect wipers to keep your windshield spotless. All the links to the best prices on the products mentioned will be in the description below. Keep in mind, the products aren't ranked in any particular order, so make sure to stick around so you don't miss anything. Number 5. Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady Wiper Blade. Number 5 on our list is the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady Wiper Blade, the most affordable option here. It strikes a great balance between durability and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for reliable, all-weather performance. One of its standout qualities is the Repellemt coating, which helps to repel water from the windshield, ensuring clear visibility, even during heavy rain. The blade's beam-style design ensures even pressure across the windshield, leaving no streaks and delivering a smooth, clean swipe each time. It also features an aerodynamic design that reduces wind lift, keeping it firmly pressed against the windshield at higher speeds or in windy conditions. Crafted from premium synthetic rubber, the wiper blade is built to withstand wear and tear from harsh elements, which extends its longevity. This material stays flexible in cold weather and resists damage in heat, making it perfect for extreme temperatures. The 16-inch size is compatible with many vehicle types, especially for those who need a wiper that can handle diverse road and weather conditions. Many customers praise the smooth performance and clear wiping action, with most finding it a good fit for their vehicles and effective at handling rain and light snow. Some have mentioned that installation can be a bit challenging, particularly if they're unfamiliar with replacing wiper blades, but others report an easy installation. Overall, it's a high-performing wiper blade that gets the job done well, even in tough weather. Number 4. BOSCH 26 A Icon Premium Beam Wiper Blade. At number 4, we have the BOSCH 26 A Icon Premium Beam Wiper Blade, which stands out as the best value option on our list. It's a top-tier choice for those looking for a reliable, all-weather blade that ensures peak visibility and performance, particularly in harsh conditions. The patented ClearMax 365 rubber technology extends the blade's lifespan by up to 40% longer than many other competitors. This durable rubber is designed to resist ozone damage and hold up against tough elements like snow, rain, sleet, and road debris, making it ideal for year-round use. Additionally, the blade features an asymmetrical aerodynamic spoiler that presses it securely against the windshield, reducing wind lift and maintaining steady contact for a smoother, quieter wipe with minimal streaking or glare. Crucial for clear, safe driving. Thanks to Bosch's dynamic fit technology, the blade adjusts to the shape of the windshield for reliable performance, even at high speeds. Its pre-installed weather shield connector makes installation a breeze, while also preventing ice and snow buildup. With a bracketless beam design, it operates quietly and is compatible with a variety of vehicles. Built for year-round use, this blade works just as well in icy conditions as it does in wet or dusty environments. Users have praised its performance in tough weather, quiet operation, and streak-free wipes, though some have noted mixed opinions about the fit and occasional streaking. Overall, it remains a top choice for drivers seeking premium windshield wipers. Number 3. Piaa Silicone Wiper Blade. At number 3, we have the Piaa Silicone Wiper Blade, the most premium option on our list, designed for exceptional durability and performance in all kinds of weather. Crafted with a high-quality silicone blade, it features superior water-repellent technology that helps rain slide off the windshield with every wipe. This unique function not only enhances visibility, but also reduces the frequency of wiping in wet conditions. The frameless design makes it an ideal fit for modern vehicles, as there are no metal parts to rust or freeze. This blade is built to excel in icy and snowy conditions, with its aerodynamic shape reducing drag, noise, and lift, ensuring it stays securely in contact with the windshield, even at high speeds and in windy weather. The SciTech blade is also engineered to minimize streaking, providing crystal clear visibility on every pass, which is especially valuable during nighttime or heavy weather driving. Installation is a breeze, and it's compatible with most vehicles, requiring no additional adapters or tools. The rubber used is treated to withstand wear from sun and weather exposure, making it more durable than traditional rubber wipers. Users rave about its top-notch performance, quiet operation, and efficiency in both light and heavy rain. However, some have expressed concerns about the durability, fit, and occasional streaking of the blade. Despite this, it remains a fantastic investment for any vehicle owner. If you'd like to check the latest prices for the windshield wipers mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you've enjoyed watching, we'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 2. Rain-X Silicone Endura Wiper Blades. At number 2, we have the Rain-X Silicone Endura Wiper Blades, which stand out as the best runner-up on our list. These blades are crafted with silicone rubber, a material specifically designed to offer superior resistance to environmental wear and tear. The silicone formula outlasts traditional rubber by up to twice as long, maintaining its performance in extreme conditions, from as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 194 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes them a solid choice for areas that experience both frigid winters and scorching summers. One of the standout features of these wiper blades is their climate defense technology, which helps protect the blades from harmful UV rays, ozone, and other elements that typically cause rubber blades to degrade. Additionally, the blades are coated with a proprietary graphite formula, ensuring a smooth, streak-free wipe while boosting water repellency. This is particularly useful in heavy rain, as it allows water to bead up and roll off the windshield more effectively, improving visibility. The design also reduces noise, offering a quieter wiping experience than many other blades on the market. Installation is simple with a universal adapter, although some users have noted that the fit can vary depending on the vehicle model. Overall, users have praised these blades for their reliability, quiet operation, and durability, making them a top choice for anyone seeking a long-lasting wiper suitable for all weather conditions. Number 1. Rain-X Latitude Water Repellemt Wiper Blades. At number 1, we have the Rain-X Latitude Water Repellent Wiper Blades, the top choice for those who value both durability and exceptional performance. These wipers stand out thanks to their built-in water repellent technology, which applies a hydrophobic coating to your windshield as you use them. This coating causes water to bead up and slide off, significantly enhancing visibility during heavy rain and other challenging conditions. The water repellent effect is designed to last for the entire lifespan of the blades, offering consistent performance and eliminating the need for extra windshield treatments. Featuring a beam blade construction, these wipers provide uniform pressure across the windshield, ensuring a smooth, streak-free wipe. Unlike traditional bracket-style blades, the beam design allows the blade to closely follow the shape of the windshield, reducing missed spots and improving overall performance across a wide range of vehicle models and windshield curves. These blades are also built to endure harsh weather conditions, including rain, snow, and sleet. Their aerodynamic design minimizes drag, noise, and lift, even at higher speeds, while ensuring quiet operation, a feature many users appreciate. The installation of the Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 wipers is straightforward, with a universal adapter included, making them compatible with most vehicles and wiper arm types. While many users love the smooth and quiet operation, some have reported mixed experiences with longevity and occasional streaking after prolonged use. Despite this, these wipers remain a strong option for anyone seeking reliable, high-performance blades. And that's a wrap. We hope this guide has made your decision a bit easier and helps you find the ideal windshield wiper for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out the description for the latest prices on all the products we've covered. Until next time,